Part two, just one more sample problem. This is a brand new formula that has to do with this thing called compounding continuously. So things can compound yearly, annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, and then you got this crazy concept. It's continuously compounding. Who wouldn't want that? Now, the reality is, the stock market is constantly changing, and so that's my hunch that's what this is geared towards. I've never seen this before, but here we go. Here are the parts. Very similar. The amount, the value of your investment after time, initial investment. See, these are all consistent pieces. But then all of a sudden, this letter E pops up. And if you find that on your calculator, it's kind of like pi. Pi is 3.14. It's a very important number that's used in the world of math. E also is very important. It's 2.71. We're going to deal with that letter E more and more and more, but here it is. And then R is rate, T is time. So let me pause it and get you all set up for your sample problem. All right, you investing experts out there, I'd like you to even find out where in the world you could compound things continuously other than the stock market or something like that. Anyway, situation number one with this sort of problem comes from example 4 on page 307. This young lady has $12,600 that she's going to invest. She must be doing well. She's got that much money to part ways with and hope. The rate is 3.2%. What's the value after 12 years? Here we go. So they're asking us, what's A? So this is a plug and chugger. Well, she invested 12,600 times, I'm just going to put in parentheses, E, which we know is 2.71. If you have that on your calculator, you can just hit E. And then the rate, remember we got to turn that into a decimal. There it is. 3.2% is 0.032 times, and they said, how much is it going to be worth after 12 years? So there's my 12. All right, I'm going to crunch these numbers out and be right back with you. Okay, here's the math. Plugged it all in, multiplied these two things together and got 0.384. Then 2.71 to the 0.384 power is this. I looked on my calculator and I found that little button above another button, so I did second, then this, and then I just had to type in 0.384. But if you know that E is 2.71, you're good. You can go either way. And so this to that crazy power is 1.468 multiplied together. There's what her investment is worth now after 12 years. So she's made nearly $6,000 just letting it sit. Pretty wise. That's it, you guys. Good luck on those homework problems. If you're panicking about these formulas, there's no way I'm going to make you memorize them. I'm going to give them to you. So you just have to know what the parts mean.